In this video, we'll analyze a very special judgment which has been pronounced by Honorable Madras High Court. In this particular situation, the taxpayer has filed a refund application in front of the departmental authority. And the matter was that the taxpayer was a textile manufacturer. The output product is taxed at the rate of 5%. Input product is taxed at the rate of 5% principal product. But there are certain color chemical packing material which was taxed at 12% or 18%. Now, taxpayer has filed a refund application on account of the inverted duty structure because input is on a higher rate with comparison to output. Now, departmental authority said that your principal product is taxed at 5% rupees, your principal input product is taxed at 5%. So, there is no inverted duty structure, so you are not allowed to file a refund application under inverted duty structure. So, this is again a very important analysis which has been made by the departmental authority, but the taxpayer has filed a writ petition in front of Honorable High Court and filed argument that, sir, yes, my principal product is taxed at 5% rupees, my principal input is 5% rupees, but there are certain other material which is also essential and the same is taxed at the rate of 12% and 18%. Hence, there is accumulation of input tax credit in my electronic credit ledger. And the Honorable High Court has considered the contention and pronounced a very special judgment, and they clarified there is no any differentiation has been given in the law for the other consumables or the principal item. Just there is requirement there should be an accumulation of input tax credit due to inverted duty structure, and the same is here in this particular scenario. Hence, the refund application should be accepted and refund must be granted if it is as per law. Again, a very important judgment for all of us. Thank you. Stay connected for more such case studies.